Have you ever tried learning cybersecurity and felt overwhelmed by all the different titles, certifications? Do you need a degree? Or how do you get experience to find a job? Or have gone for a search for an entry-level position to be met with a 5-year experience requirement? I get it. I've been there. Hey, I'm Chris Quimbaya, Army vet, cybersecurity pro, author of the Cybersecurity Field Guide, and your guide to making sense of this cybersecurity thing. I created this channel to break down cybersecurity clearly and help people like you break into this field. You might be telling yourself, I don't know how to code, I'm not a techie, or I'm too old. I'm here to change your mind. Look, I got my start in the 82nd Airborne as a signal soldier. Since then, I've worked in private companies, on government contracts, consulting, I've earned degrees and certifications. But what I've loved the most is mentoring, helping others rise, leaving no soldier behind. On this channel, you'll find simple breakdowns of complex cybersecurity topics, real advice on how to get started without wasting time and money, a little humor because let's be honest, this stuff could be dry. So if you're curious about cybersecurity, looking to start a new career, or just want to protect yourself online, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join the ranks of the CyberTroopers.